Today's English word is zealous. 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 The pronunciation in different languages like American and British and Indian is
zealous, 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 zealous.
Now, part of the speech is adjective. विशेषण की तरह इसका इस्तेमाल होता है, एडजेक्टिव की तरह इस्तेमाल होता है. मीनिंग इन हिंदी उत्साही, उत्साही, जोशीला, जोश, जैसे किसी चीज की जोश आ जाए किसी को, उत्साही. इन इंग्लिश fervent, fervent, marked by active interest, marked by active interest, and enthusiasm, and enthusiasm. Similar words ardent, fervid. Similar words ardent, fervid. Opposite words apathetic, cool. Apathetic, cool. Examples sentences are hereby. First, the council was extremely zealous in the application of the regulations. The council was extremely zealous in the application of the regulations. Second example, she was one of the president's most zealous supporters. She was one of the president's most zealous supporters. Third example, Samatha was zealous and overjoyed to know about her selection in her dream school. I repeat, Samatha was zealous and overjoyed to know about her selection in her dream. Thank you.